Hey guys, good morning. Just got out of the shower and yeah, we're supposed to go to the dentist. I'm having coffee that Sagar made for me. Such a lovely boyfriend I have. Because I did not sleep well yesterday. I woke up at 6:30 in the morning. Then I tried to sleep again. So yeah, नींद अच्छे से हो नहीं पाया. Anyway, let me quickly do my skincare. We're gonna go to the dentist right now. He has to show his alignment of his entire teeth. And मेरे को भी मेरा जब से ये wisdom tooth का जो extraction हुआ है उसके बाद I feel like my smile has changed a bit, and like when I smile this particular teeth is like a little outside, so I'm a little conscious about that, and I'm not smiling because I feel कि थोड़ा vampire-ish feel हो रहा है, like that tooth coming out. So मुझे भी वो दिखाना है कि मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. I don't want like weird thing, and also I keep on biting myself on this corner. आई थिंक उसने मुझे बोला तो था कि मैं अगर मेरा विजडम टूथ निकालूंगी थोड़ा चेंजेस आएगा, बट ये थोड़ा चेंजेस मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता है. लाइक आई लाइक इट हाउ इट वॉज, एंड प्लस इट्स माई स्माइल, राइट? सो आई डोंट वांट टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज इन दैट. या पुटिंग सम विटामिन सी. पता नहीं कुछ तो अजीब सा ही फील हो रहा है. आई थिंक द वेदर इज ऑल्सो सुपर ग्लूमी. इट्स नॉट सनी टुडे. एनीवे, इट्स द वीकेंड. आई थिंक मैंने ये वीक काफ़ी काम किया है. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But yeah, I think this afternoon I'm gonna like resume my editing for the Oman vlogs. So finally there will be Oman vlogs जो इतना टाइम से pending थे. And I feel like I'm so lacking behind on Instagram for like reels and stuff, in terms of my travel. Like my YouTube game is pretty good that way. I am consistent, and I like put my 100% in while editing, while shooting, while filming, and I like put in that effort. But Instagram के लिए I don't know क्या है. And also like for Instagram I feel like I look at metrics also quite a bit. I mean, if a particular video doesn't work, मैं थोड़ा ये हो जाती हूँ कि यार what is Instagram doing? It keeps on changing its algorithm, and the shelf life of videos is also like so less. But I need to like change that mindset as well, and like start posting more on Instagram. So I'm gonna do that. My skincare is almost done. Last is this sunscreen. ऑल्सो आई रियलाइज मुझे इंस्टाग्राम के जो वीडियोज़ है वो एडिट करने को थोड़ा ज़्यादा बोर होता है रादर देन यूट्यूब, बिकॉज विथ यूट्यूब दर इज लाइक अ प्रॉपर स्टोरी लाइन ऑलरेडी बिल्ड. विद इंस्टाग्राम दर इज अ स्टोरी लाइन दैट आई नीड टू बिल्ड आफ्टर शूटिंग एज पर लाइक यू नो वट कैन प्रॉबली वर्क, और what can be like liked by a lot of people, maybe what's trending in fonts, in music. It should be funny or it could be emotional, like there's a lot. Thoda I get stuck. I don't know if you guys can give me some perspective on how I can do like my Instagram game a little better. That would be great. After this coffee, I have to drink sabza also. Sagar has made it a habit. I don't know if you can see. गिरना मत. Sagar has made this a habit कि वो मेरे desk पे ही रख देता है, because otherwise I don't have sabza, and it's summer, right? So I need some cooling agent in my body, and this acts as a very good cooling agent. तो मैं खुद से तो नहीं पीती हूँ, which is why I say I literally got the best boyfriend in the world. Touch wood, touch wood, touch wood. Yeah. that's about it. I'm gonna do my hair now, and then we're gonna leave for the dentist. We have to like manage everything. Like मेरी जो cook है, she's cooking right now. Then we have to hurry up and leave for the dentist, and then come back because my cleaning employee, मेड बुलाना इंसल्टिंग हो जाता है ना अभी. या बट माई क्लीनिंग एम्प्लॉय शी इज़ गोना कम एंड देन उनको भी नहीं जमता है बाद में. सो या आ जाओ. हम लोग का जो रेनडियर है ना उसके दोनों ये हॉर्न टूट गया था ड्यूरिंग शिफ्टिंग. सागर जो सुबह से उठा हुआ है, जल्दी उठा हुआ है वो, लाइक आई सेड हम दोनों सो नहीं पाए अच्छे से. एंड जो सुबह से उठा हुआ है 6:30 को, ही इज़ डन लाइक ऑल दीज थिंग्स. आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस न्यू फैन which is better than my other one, like not really better but better in the sense that, wait, it's got some mist. So good. I don't know if you can see the mist.
You ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो वेट मार रही.
I quit vape. But मस्त है ये मिस्ट के साथ.
सबसे मतलब वो बहुत जल्दी निकल कहीं भी नहीं होता. मैं निकाला नहीं.
I'm getting a weird pimple here, but I'm trying to like put my acne cream and trying to let it sit. But I'm so sleepy and tired, and yeah, I don't feel like that energetic. आज का morning coffee भी मैंने बहुत जल्दी में पी लिया, so I'm waiting for my evening coffee. But I'm gonna meet Sukanya for coffee, so I'm not having anything now. I think I'll just meet her and I'll. But I decided to have a screen-free afternoon today because it's been a while. I've been like literally on the screen for the last 2-3 days, continuously editing, scripting, recording and stuff like that. So आज मैंने decide किया to not be in front of the screen. And guess what I did? I was just cleaning all my artificial jewelry. मैंने अभी मेरा जो इंस्टाग्राम का ब्रॉडकास्ट है उस पर मैंने डाला हाउ आई रिमूव्ड इट. सो इन केस यू वांट टू नो आई विल अटैच द स्क्रीनशॉट हियर. बट व्हाइल आई वाज डूइंग दैट आई नीडेड सम लेमन to scrub the jewelry off, so I made lemonade on the side. Bit refreshing. Yeah. Anyway, also आज हम मॉर्निंग में डॉक्टर के पास जाके आए, डेंटिस्ट के पास. एंड सागर का तो पूरा अलग ही प्रोसीजर होने वाला है फॉर हिज एंटायर लाइक जॉ एंड टीथ. बट फॉर मी देर इज़ नथिंग. माई ओनली इशू वॉज दैट दिस टूथ ऑफ माइन जो ये है, when I smile, like when I broadly smile, वो थोड़ा हल्का सा बाहर आता है, but something that only I can notice, but that's also making me a little conscious. So I thought that मैंने सेम डॉक्टर के पास I think 2 साल पहले मेरा विजडम टूथ निकाला था. So I thought कि मे बी वो टूथ निकालने के बाद you know how it can go, like you know it changes shape in the mouth, but he said कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So yeah, we can't really do anything, but that's fine I think. As long as it's not affecting me ज़्यादा, it's okay. इतना नहीं affect कर रहा है, but कभी कभी ऐसे notice में आता है, तो I get a little conscious about that, but that's there. Anyway, I'm just gonna wait a bit. I'm sleepy also, but I don't want to sleep because फिर मैं रात को नहीं सोऊंगी, so I don't know what else to do. Like there's so much work pending, but everything is related to the screen and I don't want to spend time on the screen, so yeah, I'm gonna find something else to do. I'm gonna color my manga. Sagar got this for me and मैंने अब तक इसको start नहीं किया, so उसकी ही coloring pencils मैंने दापे because मेरे अंदर बेड के अंदर चले गए. But I'm gonna do this no screen time activity. Let's go for it. Okay, so far इतना मैंने किया in the last 45 minutes. Looks pretty nice. I think थोड़ा finishing करना पड़ेगा. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna change from my house clothes and wear something nice because I told you I'm meeting Sukanya, right? So we're gonna go to Lenskart first. I think उसे eye test करना है और मुझे glasses choose करना है. And after that, we are gonna go to some cafe and have some coffee. Okay, I am ready and I'm wearing this Indo-Western kind of a look, and I'm wearing like oxidized jewelry as well. Just wanted to keep it like light and simple. So this, I actually love this top so much, and before the whole shifting thing I could not find this, but now I did and I'm just so happy to wear this gives me like legit early 2000s vibe wala thing, and yeah, love it, with my denim bag, denim pants, and just gonna move. Let's go. It's nice and windy and I've almost reached. I'm waiting for Puna. She says she's near the circle, so I'm just waiting. Is this good? मैं रखती हूँ. कहाँ पे है ये नंबर उसका? Vincent Chase. कहाँ?
I'm attracted towards expensive stuff.
अच्छा है ये. This is very Amsterdam-y.
Yeah.
ब्लू के साथ करोगे?
See, this is better, no? ये और बड़ा है. उससे थोड़ा बड़ा है, but I think ये अच्छा लगता है. तू पहन के देख.
Black or just
Yeah, this is black. Yeah. I like it. ये तू पहन. See? अच्छा लग रहा है ये. I think हम सबके फेस पे ये सूट करेगा. We can take two. Yeah, we can take two of the same thing. 2 for 2000. See the oval glasses. और इसमें colors. You're gonna go to work like this.
difficulties नहीं, मैं बस रेगुलर चेकअप मेरा लेफ्ट का ज़्यादा है मेरे को लग रहा
मैंने ऐसा कॉफ़ी मंगाया है जिसमें 120 ml कॉफ़ी.
जगना है उसको रात को. Try my coffee. What is this rare sight?
She never wear red color, but then I need Shimla Mara t-shirt because you know character shipping.
Yeah. Fancy stuff. But I'm seeing her like chopping things for the first time. Never seen that. I am back home and I had like dinner at Rishabh's place only. और ऋषभ खुद घर पे नहीं था, बट या उधर ही खा लिया और मैंने आमरस वापस पी लिया. मैंने कल आमरस रात को खाया एंड सी आई गॉट अ पिम्पल ऑलरेडी. आई डोंट नो, आम इज़ नॉट सूटिंग मी, बट tomorrow morning I'm gonna do an unboxing of this arm box that Sid sent me. Sid is one of the friends that I made during the retreat. I'm gonna unbox the package tomorrow in daylight for you guys to see. But right now I think I'm just gonna go to sleep. Actually not gonna go to sleep. I think I'm just gonna watch some TV. Black Mirror का last episode देखने वाली हूँ, which is like 1 hour 30 minutes long. तो तब तक तो मैं सो जाऊँगी. I mean देखते देखते I'll sleep. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you have any like ideas or suggestions on what kind of videos should I make for this channel, like something different apart from this my vlogging, like daily vlogging thing, because every day is not an interesting day. इतनी भी interesting नहीं चल रही मेरी life, so it would be like boring to see the same old things. So if you have any suggestions, like maybe pranks that I could do or something with Sagar, कोई trend या कुछ भी चल रहा है, and if you think I can do it, let me know in the comments below. I will do that because I'm so excited to do that. Make fun videos for this channel. एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, प्लीज़ शेयर दिस वीडियो. लेट्स हिट 5000 सब्सक्राइबर्स सून. मेरा गोल है ये साल सिल्वर बटन चाहिए मुझे फॉर बोथ द चैनल्स. ज़्यादा बड़ा सोच नहीं रही हूँ, बस सिल्वर बटन दोनों चैनल के लिए चाहिए मुझे. So yes, please do that. I'm really consistent with my videos and I hope ये इसका फल मुझे मिले in form of a silver button. So चलो bye bye, good night guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.